What could you want more from a BMW M3? More power? Well, luckily there's the M3 Competition. More traction? As of late, you can get that from the BMW M3 Competition with MX Drive. Or is it a sleeker coupe body you prefer? There's always the BMW M4 for you in the same variants. But what about something that's been missing all along though? What about more space? What about the striking high-performance capabilities and expressive appearance of BMW M in an estate? BMW M has realized what we've all been waiting for and has completed the BMW M3 and M4 lineup perfectly with the first ever BMW M3 Competition Touring with MX Drive. Seen from the front, the new Touring model is based completely on the BMW M3 sedan in its design. It shows the same mean-looking, upright, frameless kidney grille, the wide air intakes in iconic M design, and the sharp headlights, optionally available as laser lights, and also BMW individual shadow line lights, and the powerful domes along the bonnet. Now, the aggressive front stands across the same massive wheel arches, housing the forged double-spoke wheels, like this beautiful black M826 styling in 19-inch in the front and 20-inch on the rear axle, by the way. Now, both axles have the wider BMW M3 track. From here on, however, the body combines the familiar spacious touring rear of the 3 Series with the muscular BMW M design language. Above the massive rear bumper with the big sporty diffuser, the large tailgate opens up to a proper touring boot. It offers a volume of 500 liters, expandable up to 1,510 liters, and where the usual luggage securing facilities are really justified due to the car's dynamics. A touring rear on a high-performance model, of course, lays the perfect foundation for a roof spoiler, finishing off aerodynamics and style. With the additional contributions of the M-Carbon exterior package, which include the air intakes, the mirror caps, and the diffuser, the motorsport DNA couldn't be emphasized any clearer. The BMW M3 Competition Touring shares the same bold body color range of the BMW M3 Sedan and M4 Coupe. But this combination of the BMW individual frozen black with the standard high gloss black shadow line, the high gloss black side skirts, and also the full metal roof in high gloss black, which is optionally available in body color, has the estate looking like a veritable dark beast. Don't you agree? The cockpit of the BMW M3 Competition Touring matches that of the M3 sedan as well. Only this model doesn't miss out on the latest modernity boost in BMW digital technology. With varying standard and also optional offers, depending on your country, M-Drive or M-Drive Professional in the BMW Life Cockpit Plus or Professional run on the new BMW Operating System 8. With this new vehicle interface geared towards voice and touch control comes the BMW curved display as the new floating center of the driver-oriented layout. And the design surrounding it is based on the leather merino upholstery, which is standard for the seat and also optionally available for the dashboard and the door panels. Now, the BMW M Carbon bucket seat, which I also like to call the revolution in performance-driven ergonomics, is of course also available for the Touring. So is the great variety of trim and upholstery design. And yes, you can always upgrade performance and style all over the new member of the BMW M3 and M4 family even further with BMW M Performance Parts and the BMW Individual Color Program. Just in case you were wondering, of course, you can haul your family and friends and plenty of luggage in the BMW M3 Competition Touring with equal dynamics, speed, and precision to the sedan. The makings are the same. The inline 6-cylinder M-twin power turbo engine putting out 510 horsepower and 650 Newton meters of torque. The M-specific Y-Track chassis with special adjustment and lots of additional body bracing structures. The M X-Drive with M differential, undoubtedly suiting the touring version best, and the 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission. All those are put together with just the same sophistication by specially tuned control systems. Top speed of the BMW M3 Competition Touring is set at 250 kilometers an hour or 280 kilometers an hour with the M driver's package, with an acceleration of 3.6 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour. Standard M compound brakes or optional M carbon ceramic brakes with 6 piston fixed calipers at the front decelerate also the model with the bigger behind, with tried and tested precision and sportiness. And thanks to the M setup menu, the M mode selection, and M traction control, you're in absolute and individual charge over how to drive this masterpiece, including swinging that bigger behind around. So, the longing for and side gazes at other high-powered S8 models on the highway are over, as BMW M takes driving with unrivaled motorsport DNA and style, also with the bigger boot back to where it belongs, in the BMW M3 Competition Touring.